IC Awareness Month Daily Fact number 15. Did you know that you might be eligible for disability benefits? But it's important that you know the different types of disability programs out there. There are 4. So number 1 is private insurance. This is provided as a benefit from an employer. Number 2 is state disability benefits. This is also known as SDI. And not all states in the United States offer it, but California does, where I live. This is short-term insurance. This is meant to help you through a specific event, like having to have surgery or having a baby or having some sort of injury. So SDI, you pay for it out of your paycheck, and the maximum amount of time that you can get it is about a year. Now, our next type of insurance is called supplemental security income. This is a federal program, and this is for people who really were unable to work, people who are born with profound disabilities, people who are blind. And if you are eligible for that, you can go to Social Security and they will help you. Please know that those benefits are very, very low. Now, the last type of insurance is the most common type of insurance. That's called Social Security Disability. It's related to Social Security retirement. That, too, is something that you pay for out of your paycheck. And to be eligible, you probably have to have worked 40 quarters, roughly 10 years, unless you're in your 20s, and then they have a specific test to determine if you paid enough to be qualified for it. Now, Social Security disability is long-term disability. This is the disability you apply for if you don't think that you'll be able to return to work, or your doctor doesn't think you're going to be able to return to work. And it's challenging to get. I mean, there are a couple of obstacles. Obstacle number 1 is how do you tell them that you're profoundly disabled from this? We had a very important case of a patient who applied and was denied over and over and over again. She kept appealing, and that's a rule with Social Security. You keep appealing. Well, she appealed all the way up to a federal court. And finally, at the federal court, she won. The reason why she was denied at first was because there was no evidence that she had frequency, and or the doctor did not witness that she had extreme frequency. And finally, the federal judge said, hey, your doctor's not going to witness you being up all night. This is where having something like a voiding diary is so important. If you do a voiding diary every time you go to the doctor, you're providing proof of how IC is disabling you. So you're not able to work with Social Security, and again, it's common to be denied. Don't let that deter you. That's kind of a test. Appeal, appeal, appeal. Learn more in the Disability Resource Center on the IC Network website, ICNetwork.